Good morning, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, Deck Restoration Plus, DRP Enterprises. This morning I just wanted to do a quick video of what's going on at Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises. So what we do is, I'll flip this around, show you our sign, and we'll take a walk, show you what's going on. So we just had a new sign put in actually, and we're going to go ahead and go up the driveway and we'll talk a little bit about Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises. So we're coming out with 5 new colors, a new stripper, and a whole nother line of products that are going to be for the paver and concrete ceiling. We were asked to do this by our outlets that carry our products, so we're going ahead and going forward with that. But in the meantime, we've had to expand a little bit. So we're coming up to the office now. And in the office, what we have is, or we're going to have, will be the education and the products will work out of this office. So we've had to expand. We've had to expand the amount of people working for us, our crews, and so forth. And then we're separating the service part of the business. Just had a snowstorm, knocked down part of my tree, or bush. And so we're just gonna go, here's the office. And as we walk around here, I'll take you back and show you a little bit more of Deck Restoration Plus and what we got going on here. So here's our vehicles before we get started in the morning. Some of them. These are the ones the crews take out. Here's the training deck that we talk about. Over here are our products that we have, the service side, equipment, our shop, and so forth. We have another vehicle, another side of the office. As we take a walk around here, we're going to show you the new office that we've got. We're doing a build out back here. We'll show you that. So we got quite a few buildings and quite a bit of property we're working with out here at Deck Restoration Plus. So we're really proud of the growth, the expansion, and what we got going on here. So this is a reason I do this video is, people ask about, who are the experts, who are the gurus, who are whatnot too. And you really want to know who you're learning from. So we teach these classes. We want to show you that we're involved. I mean, we do the service side of it too. We have the products. We do everything. And we got some big news coming in January in regards to credibility and being recognized by some of the AHGs in the industry, which is going to be exciting too. So anyway, just getting the vehicles. We build decks, we do repairs and everything. So this is our little lumber yard, we call it. Over here we have the new office. Over here we have the electrics been finished up. In here, we ran the phone lines, and we're gonna come around to the front. And this used to be it used to be farm labor buildings. So this one was a kitchen with refrigerators and ovens and whatnot, and everybody would come in here and eat. So obviously we have to paint and fix the door yet. So this is going to be a new office. Again, we got a new service in here. We've just run the phone lines up to here, the new electric. Got a new small hot water heater, new heater that'll get hooked up. We ripped out the old showers, so that's going to get fixed. We're going to put a new subfloor in, new toilet, new bathroom over here. I don't know why this door's open. But anyway, this is where the new office is going to be. This will be for the service side of our business. There'll be 4 desks in here actually. And what we're looking at is the employees will actually park in our new parking lot on this side of this side of the building, and then they'll get their paperwork, pull up to those buildings I showed you, and on out to the jobs. And then everything else from training and the products will be in that other office we walked past. So just a little view of Deck Restoration Plus. I just want to show you this too. We're actually out here this morning. It is a little after 7:30. Sunrise is just coming up. It's magnificent, beautiful view back here as well. So pretty spoiled as far as our view. But again, this is the property. This is the business. We have obviously multiple crews that go out, vehicles. I don't know what there is, 9 or 10 vehicles I guess we use, not counting salespeople and so forth. And then we have our 2 offices and all of our production and so forth that you know comes from this property. So just wanted you guys to get a feel of what Deck Restoration Plus is, DRP Enterprises, what we have going on here, and that's about it. All right. Hope to see you at a class soon. Hope talk to you either online or on the phone as you're ordering products and so forth. And everybody have a great day.